From the colossal pyramids of Teotihuacan to the intricate stonework of Sacsayhuaman, ancient civilizations achieved engineering marvels that defy explanation. How did they build structures that have outlasted millennia, while our modern concrete crumbles in mere decades? This is the mystery of a lost supermaterial, a secret held by the ancients, now being rediscovered. Our journey begins with the Romans, masters of engineering, whose concrete structures like the Pantheon and Roman harbors have stood for over 2 millennia. Their secret? Volcanic ash, lime, and seawater, combined in a way that created a material stronger and more durable than anything we use today. This wasn't just a mix, it was a chemical alchemy, forming crystals that interlocked and grew over time, healing cracks and strengthening the structure. Modern scientists are now studying these ancient recipes, using advanced techniques like spectroscopy and electron microscopy to unlock their secrets. They've discovered that the Roman concrete's unique crystalline structure, particularly the formation of calcium aluminum silicate hydrate, is key to its longevity. But the Romans weren't alone. Evidence suggests similar supermaterials were used by other ancient civilizations. The Mayans, for instance, used a form of stucco that has endured centuries in a humid jungle environment. And the builders of Knossos in Crete utilized a plaster that remains vibrant and intact thousands of years later. These ancient builders understood something fundamental about materials science that we've only recently begun to grasp. The implications are profound. Imagine infrastructure that lasts for centuries, reducing waste and environmental impact. From self-healing roads to carbon-neutral buildings, the secrets of ancient concrete could revolutionize our world. The concrete that time forgot is not just a relic of the past. It's a blueprint for a more sustainable future.